Have you ever dreamt of starting a YouTube channel but you have been overwhelmed by where to begin? Starting a YouTube channel has never been easier, but succeeding on this YouTube space requires strategy. Whatever it is that you're passionate about, be it cooking, be it tutorials. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you step-by-step guide on how to start your YouTube channel and also to stand out. So if you're ready on this one, please let's get started. So the first one is to define your niche. It's important. I know so many people say it's good to have a niche, or it's good to niche down, and some people say it's not good to niche down. Whatever you think is best for you, it's good to do it. But in my own opinion, if you have a specific thing that you're passionate about, then you should try it out. It's not bad having content pillars around what you're doing. So you can have 3 to 4 different things that you're doing on your channel, you understand, but have a niche around it. Let them be kind of interwoven. So what is that thing that you're passionate about? Think of your niche as a unique room in a crowded space. In the midst of so many people doing the same thing as what you want to do, think about your niche as a unique room in a crowded space. Meaning you want to stand out amongst the crowd. You want to stand out in this specific thing that you are doing. This is very key, and this is very vital to your success on this space. Make it specific and make it relatable. This will go a long way to help you. My second point is that you set a clear goal. Setting clear goals are very important if you really want to succeed in anything at all that you are doing. For instance, you can set a goal of, say, 1,000 subscribers in 3 months. It's up to you what exactly you want to set your goal as. But your goal should be specific and it should be something that is achievable. Don't set a goal that you know that this is just too difficult to accomplish. Set something that you know you can work towards and you are able to accomplish it. That even if you don't accomplish it at that specific time, you'll be very close to it. So it's important to set a goal. There's nothing you're doing, there's no business that you want to lay your hands on that you don't have a goal towards, you don't have something that you're aspiring towards. So when you're ready to start a YouTube channel, you should have a goal towards it. Okay, what is my goal? How many subscribers do I want to have at the end of so period? What is my monetization goal? What is the kind of value I want to be giving out and all that. So when you set clear goals, this will keep you motivated and this will keep you going, especially in tough times. So the third point is that you need to set up your channel. You need a Google Mail. You need to set up a Google Mail and then use that to set up your channel. And of course, when you set up your channel, you have to put the necessary tags and keywords for the channel. I'm still going to do a detailed tutorial on that later on. So you need to set up all this so that you can be up for success, because without doing all these necessary things, you will struggle a lot on the channel. So it's important to set it up the right way so as to get the kind of results that you really need to get. And then my fourth point is, do not be afraid of what people will say. I know there are so many people out there that really want to be on this YouTube space, but they are wondering, God, this person will say this. Oh, what will this person say? Oh, so you want to start a YouTube channel. So many of us, we are just busy thinking of what people's reactions will be, busy thinking for other people what is in their heart, Meanwhile, some people don't even care, Some people don't care about what you want to do. Just do whatever it is that is in your mind. Whatever it is that you want to achieve. If you have a message that you want to pass across the world, do it. Just do it and stop procrastinating and stop thinking about what people will say concerning it. It doesn't matter what people will say, anything, obviously. Even people talk about everybody at every point in time, whether in a good way or in a bad way. So just do you. Don't worry yourself. Don't be thinking about what people have to say about the step that you want to take for your own self. So just go ahead and do it. I know that there are some trolls online. Some people come online to troll people and all that, but you don't have to care about those. So if you really want to do well on the online space, you can't afford to be worried about what people will say. Another thing that could be a worry to you if you're trying to, start a YouTube channel is confidence over the camera. This shouldn't be a problem if you practice over and over and over again. Once you know that you're coming on the YouTube space, all you need to do is to pick up your phone. You don't even need a camera. Your phone is enough to start up, and keep talking to the camera until you gain confidence. No one knows it all, and nobody started being perfect. As you go on along the journey, you keep getting better and better at it. So you don't wait for perfection. You start and then you get perfect along the way. So just pick up your phone, do some practice here and there, see how you're doing, and then start creating. It's as simple as that. Just start creating. Keep practicing to be confident in front of the camera. I wasn't like this when I started, and I know that I'm still getting better by the day. So you just keep practicing. For a long time, I always look at myself instead of looking into the camera. That's focusing on the audience. So it took me time, to understand that I'm not supposed to be looking at myself, but looking into the camera. You can also do this. It just takes practice. That is it, and then you are there. So my 5th point now is to research video ideas. So whatever niche that you're going in, just get about 5-10 people doing well in your niche. Get 5-10, even if you can get up to 20 people, check them out. Check out their videos that are performing very well and replicate them. You're just coming onto this space. You don't need to, start with your own ideas. For you to actually do well, you need to start using other people's ideas. See what has been working for other people. Recreate it in your own style. That is all that you need. You understand? And along the line, as you keep on working at it and all, then you can start bringing your own ideas in between it. But when you're just starting out, you don't need to start inventing your own style. You can just do what is working. For instance, if you are in the tutorial niche, let's say you are teaching people how to sew, look at what is trending. It may be that people are sewing kimono jackets at that point in time, or they are sewing trousers or something. Jump on that trend. That is what you should be. That thing that is trending is what people are actually searching for. That's what people want to see more and more at that time. So when you jump on that, you are more likely to get more views. That's why it's always important, to know who your competitors are, see what they are doing, and then replicate it. It's just as simple as that. Even in this YouTube group niche as well, as you're teaching people, check out what is trending, check out what people are doing, and replicate it. Do it in your own style, and that is it. So along the line, you can start chipping in 1 or 2 things that you want to originally do, but it's always better to start with what others have done already. And then my last point for you is create videos. Start creating. Start batch filming. Starting out your YouTube channel, you learn to batch create. If you can at least do 5 to 10 videos even before you start, so that you do them, you edit them, you schedule them. So then along the lines, you keep creating more and more and more, so that, and then you have a posting schedule. That's very important as well. If you want to post 3 times a week, just know it's 3 times. If it's 4 times a week, know it is 4 times a week. This will also help. And also try different times of posting, especially as a new person on the space. If you try in the morning, if it works, fine. If it doesn't work, try afternoon, try in the evening as well, till you get a hang of things and you see how everything will work out well for you in the long run. So these are my tips for you if you're trying to come up on this journey in 2025. YouTube pays. That's the truth. YouTube pays. And many years from now, you're going to look at your YouTube channel and you'll be glad you started. You'll be, excited. You'll be happy about the value that you're dishing out onto others, and so much more other benefits that will come alongside it. So if you have found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, please like it, Please subscribe for more growth tips like this and share on to others that will really be needing this. And also on my end screen, you're going to see a video that YouTube will be recommending. Please watch it, as this is going to be of great value to you as well. Stay tuned and turn on the notification bell so that you can be aware of my next post. And I'm using this opportunity to wish you a happy new year, a prosperous new year, filled with joy, filled with laughter, filled with peace, and filled with achievement of goals. And until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead, and bye for now.